Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now, today I'm going to be teaching you about Earth Day. And I have compiled a presentation about what is Earth Day, information about Earth Day, and everything. So sit back and relax and let's learn about Earth Day. So why Earth Day? Well, Earth Day is a day and it's always on April 22nd. And by the time I'm recording this, this video will be up. And it's a day where we think about the environment and do something to help keep the earth clean. The earth is like our home, and we should have to keep it clean, or else we'll have to live in a dump, a planet full of garbage with no clean air, because of all the pollution and all that. But because of Earth Day, we can help keep the earth clean, so we don't have to live in a polluted area. And we should at least keep the earth clean for another decade, or at least until scientists find if humans can live on Mars. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can help Earth Day. So instead of taking long showers, take shorter ones. So is it necessary to take a 30-minute shower? No, take a less one, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. When you brush your teeth, close the faucet and turn it on when you need it, rather than keep it on while you brush. That's wasting water, and water is the supply we all need. So if you do not waste water, we can help save water and help save water bills and help your wallet. Now, when you leave a room, do you turn off the light? If not, then remember, you need to turn it off because that's wasting electricity. Now, if you close the light, it can also help save money, as not using electricity will not cost you. And if something can be recycled, like paper newspapers, or tin cans, aluminum foil, put it in the recycling bin, not the garbage bin. Because the garbage that is in the garbage bin ends up in landfills. And landfills are taking up so much space. And who knows, landfills are running out of space. They might end up covering beaches, amusement parks because of landfills. Because there's so much garbage. And half of the garbage can be recycled. If you see some litter on the ground or on a park somewhere, just pick it up and throw it in the garbage or the recycling bin, wherever it goes. If you help and do your part, we can help keep the earth clean. And there's so many ways to keep the earth clean, like using the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce what you use, like reduce the number of the time of showers you take. Or reuse something that can be reused, like use instead of using plastic bottles, get a bottle which you can refill at water fountains or something like that. And then, so we mentioned reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycle things that can be recycled. Composting. Another thing you could do is compost. You can use apple cores, banana peels, and that can help the earth because that creates a fertilizer which we can use to help clean the earth and keep the soil rich for the plants. And like I said, there's so many ways. Think of some ways and let me know in the comment one way how you want to help keep the earth clean. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. Happy Earth Day, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.